harbor lights ripple gold on the skin of the sea. I lace my goals to the wind and it carries me. Silk sleeve on the helm, moon stitched to the bow. Every wave says go, and I answer now. I turned almost into altitude, runway under hills. Signed my fate in vapor trails, sealed it with steel. Diamonds don't impress me like discipline does. I plan effort in silence and harvest the buzz. If luxury is language, I'm fluent and free. Grammar of the grind, poetry of speed. I don't wait for crowns, I crown the weight. I'm the bell that rings when I lift the gate. If the map is blank, watch me draw the line. From shoreline to skyline, I redefine. Velvet velocity, I move like a queen, turning pressure into perfume in a gleam. If the world says later, I answer with now. If the tide says maybe, I teach it how. Pray from deck to runway, from dust to light. I turn oceans into mirrors with my fight. Raise your eyes, feel the pull in your chest. Velvet velocity, I live at my best. Like a crown behind, I rise, I soar, leave hesitation blind. Penthouse dawn in a glass of blue, city bends softly when the windows view. Keys like comets in a velvet tray, trains like constellations guiding my way. I hold loyalty to purpose, grace to power, turn minutes into victories, hour by hour. Every no became a step I climbed, every why became a reason aligned. I don't wait for crowns, I crown the weight. I'm the bell that rings when I lift the gate. If the map is blank, watch me draw the line. From shoreline to skyline,